Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Wait, have you ever tasted crispy Nigerian Akara straight from the pan? Let me show you how it's made. Hi my people, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today I'm making one of Nigeria's favorite street foods, crispy fluffy akara, also known as bean cake. It's perfect for breakfast and usually enjoyed with pap or bread. For this delicious akara, we'll need peeled beans, fresh pepper, onion, salt, and oil for frying. First, blend the beans with peppers and onions until smooth and thick. We pour the batter in a bowl, then add little salt, 1 egg, and whisk the batter very well. This step is important because it adds air into the mixture and helps the akara become fluffy. Keep enough vegetable oil for deep frying. Carefully scoop the batter into the hot oil and let them fry until golden brown. Turn them gently so they cook evenly on all sides. Once the akara turns golden brown and crispy, carefully scoop it out of the oil and let it drain. Our delicious Nigerian akara is ready to serve. Akara is perfect with pap, bread, or even custard. A true Nigerian breakfast classic. So soft and delicious. Adding eggs makes it even better. If you enjoyed this akara recipe, follow for more smart recipes with bold flavors. See you in my next video.